Hi, I am Pakshika Sharma. And here is the world as I see it. It was none other than my school that gave me a unique worldview. God blessed us with beautiful nature. But on the name of development, we destroy our nature and build concrete jungles surrounding us. I am witnessing my own world turning polluted. We have destroyed our nature and turned it into a garbage dump. In my own world, I look around and wonder, where are those rivers we killed? I want to see my world beautiful all over again. That's why I'm taking an initiative so that I can reclaim my beautiful world and embrace the nature.